Hello class, welcome back to our chemistry lesson. Today we are going to enter subtopic 5.4 hydrogen bond. We are still in topic chemical bond, chapter 5 in chemistry form 4. So what are the learning standard that you are going to learn here is 5.4.1, explain with examples the formation of a hydrogen bond. Example, contoh untuk pembentukan hydrogen bond. Explain the effect of the hydrogen bond on the physical properties of substances. Kesan hydrogen bond terhadap ciri-ciri atau sifat fizikal sesuatu bahan kimia. Okay, so there are a few remarks that we need to take note here. Hydrogen bond is an interaction or a force of attraction between hydrogen atom and an atom with high electronegativity like N, O, and F. Okay, ini adalah nota yang you have to tekankan di sini. Ambil tahu, ikatan hidrogen adalah interaksi ataupun daya tarikan. Okay, interaksi ataupun daya tarikan antara apa? Antara atom hidrogen dengan atom-atom lain yang mempunyai electronegativity yang tinggi. Apa maksud electronegativity is kemampuan atau kecenderungan untuk menerima elektron. Okey, jadi ada 3 atom yang ada high electronegativity, iaitu nitrogen, oksigen dan fluorine. So hydrogen bond ni sebenarnya adalah cerita tentang interaksi ataupun daya tarikan antara H dengan N, H dengan O dan H dengan F. Okay. So let us go to our textbook. Okay, so this is in your textbook, page 117. Okay, Form 4 Chemistry KSSM textbook. Okay, so let us look at hydrogen introduction here. Hydrogen bond, the introduction for this subtopic. Have you ever thought, pernahkah kamu terfikir, why an iceberg weighing thousands of tons? You know iceberg kan? Iceberg is the one that destroyed the Titanic ship long time ago. So, kenapa iceberg yang berat dia beribu-ribu tan can float, boleh terapung di atas permukaan laut? This is because, okay, ini cerita dia, okay? This is because the density of ice is lower compared with water. Density is ketumpatan. Ketumpatan ais kurang daripada air. If you put ice on top of water, it is going to float here, up here. Kenapa? Why water is denser than ice? Kenapa air ni di bawah ais? Kenapa air bukan di atas, ais di bawah? Okay, to answer this question, the concept of hydrogen bond needs to be understood. Okay, so what is hydrogen bonds actually? Okay, hydrogen bonds are actually attraction force, daya tarikan. Nina, daya tarikan. You can see in this picture, hydrogen bond is this one, the red lines here. Okay, ini ya, yang garisan merah putus-putus. This is hydrogen bond. Nina, attraction force. Antara apa? Between hydrogen atom, sini, between hydrogen atom that has bonded with an atom with high electronegativity. You see this hydrogen atom here. This is hydrogen atom and it is bonded with O. Sama ada with O kah, with N kah, ataupun with F. Okay, there are 3 types of atoms. There are 3 types of atoms with high electronegativity. So, dalam gambar raja ini, contoh yang digunakan adalah H2O, air. Tapi, hydrogen also can form bond dengan, selain daripada O, juga dengan N, juga dengan F. Okay, jadi contoh di sini yang ditunjukkan adalah air dululah. Okay, so hydrogen bond ni, hydrogen bond adalah Nina, daya tarikan. Daya tarikan antara apa? Antara H yang sudah terikat dengan O. Okay. Antara H yang sudah ada ikatan dengan O. Antara H yang sudah ada ikatan dengan O kah, ataupun N kah, ataupun F kah. Dan apabila kamu nampak itu H terikat lagi dengan satu atom of high electronegativity di molekul yang lain, itulah hydrogen bond. Itulah attraction force. Okay? So I repeat myself one more time. Hydrogen bonds are attraction forces between hydrogen that has bonded with an atom. Ini sudah bond dengan O, atom O. Dan apabila kamu nampak, this one, it forms a bond with another atom with high electronegativity in another molecule. Antara H dengan itu high electronegativity punya atom, itulah hydrogen bond. Bukan antara H dengan H, but it is between the H from a molecule with another high electronegativity atom in another molecule. Boleh fahamkan di sana? Jadi kamu imagine lah, di dalam air, di dalam molekul-molekul air ada banyak H2O, ada banyak, okay, ada banyak H2O. Jadi antara this H, it can form bond with this high electronegativity atom, which is the O. And this H also can form the same hydrogen bond with the high electronegativity atom. Okay, I hope you understand that. Hydrogen bond tu adalah antara H dengan O or N ataupun F. So, I will summarize this one. O and F tu kita ringkaskan dia kepada akronim FON. So, H phone. Okay? Hydrogen bond is a bond attraction force, daya tarikan. Dia mesti tertarik, ada daya dia, menarik. Daya tarikan antara hydrogen dengan FON. Kenapa FON? Sebab FON yang high electronegativity. What is high electronegativity? Yang mampu untuk menarik ataupun menerima elektron. Okay, I hope you understand that. Okay, the picture shows it already. Oxygen atom has high electronegativity. Okay. Water molecule consists of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. This one you understand kan? Okay, ada 1 O, ada 2 H. H2O. And then H and O, antara H dengan O are bonded by sharing electron with one another. This type of bond di dalam water molecule itu, di dalam satu water molecule, this type of bond is covalent bond. Tapi when the hydrogen from one molecule forms bond atau attraction with oxygen daripada other molecule of water, itu hydrogen bond. Di dalam is covalent bond. I hope you still understand yang H tu dia punya susunan elektron adalah 1 kan. And then oxygen susunan elektron is 2.6. Another H is 1. So when this one share with this 6 and this one over here also share with 6, bukankah the 6 is becoming 8 sudah? Kan? Jadi dia sudah jadi octet. Dan ini 1, bila dia share dengan oxygen, bukankah dia sudah jadi duplet? So masing-masing akan menjadi stable when they share electrons with each other. Itu covalent bond di dalam. Tapi yang merah-merah ni adalah hydrogen bonds. Okay class, so we are going to continue here. I would like you all to try record a short video. Okay, short video explaining this one, activity 5.4. Okay, I will choose 2 students only for now. Okay, I would like Elizabeth and also Kit Christo. The 2 of you are going to record video about activity 5.4 based on figure 5.12. Based on this one, can you explain? Think about how hydrogen bonds are formed in hydrogen fluoride and ammonia. Discuss, you can discuss with each other, and you need to share your findings in our next Google Meet. Okay, if it's not in the Google Meet, actually I can ask you to share and I will upload it in our Google Classroom and also my YouTube. Okay, so I will request the 2 students that I mentioned just now, Elizabeth and also Kit. Both of you need to do this activity 5.4. Record a short video. Alright? Okay, so now we are going to continue with this one. The role of hydrogen bonds in daily life. di mana? Di mana kita boleh tengok dia punya peranan dalam kehidupan seharian. Alright, observe figure 5.13. This is figure 5.13. There are protein molecules that form hydrogen bonds among one another in the hair structure. You know that our hair, our nails, semua ada protein kan? And this protein is known as keratin. Keratin. So protein ini sebenarnya membentuk hydrogen bond with one another. Cuba kita tengok ni nah. Okay. Ini adalah protein. Ini protein di dalam rambut. So look at this protein molecules over here. Look at this H. This H belongs to this one. This chain. Okay. But when this H connect with another high electronegativity atom from another molecule, they already form hydrogen bonds. Banyaklah, there are a lot of hydrogen bonds. Sebab banyak rambut kan? Banyak rambut, banyaklah protein, banyaklah hydrogen bond. Begitu. So, when hair is wet, protein molecules no longer form hydrogen bonds among themselves. Instead, protein molecules will form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. Bila rambut kita basah, dia dah sudah hydrogen bond between the proteins. Tapi ada air sudah kan? So the protein molecules kan, ini protein molecules themselves pun ada hydrogen. And in protein molecule themselves pun ada oxygen, high electronegativity atom. So bila ada air masuk, air tu kan H2O. Jadi bolehlah this H form another hydrogen bond with the O. Okay, with O from the water. So water molecule will also form hydrogen bonds with other hair protein molecules. This causes hair to stick together. Inilah sebabnya kenapa rambut kita stick together, melekat bila kita baru cuci rambut. Alright? Sebab ada air, sebab masih basah. Jadi air itu, okay, I explain one more time. Air tu structure dia begini. HO. Okay, H2O kan. Kita kasih pisah jadi HOH lah. So ingat, dalam protein molecule ada H. Dan this H from protein molecule can form hydrogen bond dengan O daripada air. Sebab tu, jadi diorang melekat lah kan. Ada attraction force, right? So when they are stick to each other, when they are attracted to each other, that's why our hair is wet. Because one protein molecule from one hair connect with the water, attracted to the water. Lepas tu, the protein from another hair stick lagi to the water molecule. That's how our hair stick when our hair is wet. Alright. Now, have you ever come across the problem of turning the pages of book where the pages stick together? Kan? To overcome this problem, you lick your finger before turning the pages. Kan? Kamu pernah kah? Kamu punya buku melekat, lepas tu kamu guna air liur kan? Itu cara orang tua-tua lah actually dulu-dulu kan? Diorang guna air liur tapi I believe some of you still do that, right? Okay? You lick ataupun you make your hand wet atas pan. Kalau di kedai-kedai dia orang letak atas pan tu, kasih basah-basah. So why does a wet finger help to turn pages of a book? Explanation on this given in 5.15. Alright? So mari kita tengok this one. Look at this. This is pepper. You know that pepper ni ada protein juga okay? Pepper ni ada gula. So di dalam gula ada, look at this one. Cellulose in paper. Cellulose is a type of sugar, okay? Cellulose in paper consists of hydrogen that are bonded to oxygen atom. You can, okay, I will show you how cellulose look like. Cellulose. Formula. Okay, look at this one. Dalam cellulose ada H, ada C, ada O. Okay, ada H, ada C, ada O. Jadi, you understand already kan? Sekiranya, if you see, okay, if you see an H bonded to O, di dalam sesuatu struktur itu, you know that itu adalah covalent bond. Okay, jadi this H can form another hydrogen bonds with the water. Kan kamu kasih basah kamu punya finger. Inilah paper cellulose yang tadi, the complicated structure just now tu, ada H di dalam kan dan ada O di dalam kan. So that H is going to form another hydrogen bond dengan air dari jari. Jari kita basah kan, ada air kan, so it can form the hydrogen bond with the paper cellulose. Sebab itulah stick. Terus kamu boleh flip kamu punya pages in your books. So water molecules on wet finger, kan air liur, will form hydrogen bonds with the cellulose in paper. Because of that, paper will stick to the finger. The paper will stick to the finger. Jadi bolehlah you can flip your book. Okay class, so now we are going to discuss the effect of hydrogen bonds on physical properties of substances. Okay, kita mau tengok apa bah kesan hydrogen bond terhadap physical properties. Kenapalah kalau ada hydrogen bond? Okay, so tengok ini ayat compounds in the form of liquids, sebatian dalam bentuk cecair. Kan sebatian ni ada 3 jenis, cecair kah, pepejal kah, gas. So dalam bentuk liquid, itu sebatian akan reach boiling point, will reach their boiling point when the attraction forces between molecules are overcome. Setiap sebatian tu, dia ada attraction forces, dia ada daya tarikan yang menarik mereka antara satu sama lain untuk membentuk molekul. Jadi kalau itu daya tarikan sudah berjaya di overcome ataupun dicapai, jadi masa tu diorang akan boil. Okay, boiling point will reach. Boiling point will reach apabila daya tarikan berjaya diputuskan. So in the covalent compound of ethanol contohnya, look at this ethanol here class. Ada C, ada H, ada O. Kalau ada H dengan O, means that ada hydrogen bond lah tu. They are hydrogen bond form. Sebab this H dengan O will form hydrogen bond with the O. Lepas tu ada H, ada C lagi in another covalent compound of ethanol. Faham kan di sana? Ethanol dengan ethanol boleh membentuk hydrogen bond. So di dalam covalent compound, there are hydrogen bond form. Ada hydrogen bond between molecules selain daripada weak van der Waals attraction forces. Okay, this is another new term that you are going to learn today. Van der Waals. Di mana boleh jumpa van der Waals? Okay, van der Waals ni adalah ikatan di antara apa? Di antara elemen-elemen, unsur-unsur di dalam covalent compound. Van der Waals hanya ada di dalam covalent compound. Tengok di sini ya. This was what you learn. Okay, contohnya di sini. Oksigen dengan oksigen. Ini kan, this is double bond, right? Tapi sebenarnya kan, kita juga katakan bahawa daya tarikan di antara O dengan O ini adalah van der Waals. Kenapa? Sebab dia covalent. Dan kita juga katakan bahawa daya tarikan antara N dengan N dengan N ni adalah van der Waals. Kenapa van der Waals? Sebab ini kan covalent. Asalkan covalent, bond yang terbentuk, mesti ada van der Waals attraction forces. Daya tarikan van der Waals. Sebab itulah diorang boleh tertarik. Okey, sebab tu diorang boleh tertarik di antara satu sama yang lain. Tapi kalau di dalam this is not covalent kan? This is ionic kan? Ionic bond tiada covalent. Diorang ada strong electrostatic force. Ini dalam ionic compound. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force of attraction. Strong kalau dalam ionic. Tapi kalau di dalam covalent kita ada weak VDW, van der Waals. Jadi ingat sajalah, you already learn 2 types of bond. In fact 3 types lah. Okay, so di dalam ionic bond ada strong apa? Strong electrostatic force of attraction. Di dalam covalent compound you have apa? You have weak apa? VDWFOA. Okay, ini beza dia. Dalam ionic compound ada strong electrostatic force of attraction. Daya tarikan elektrostatik yang sangat kuat. Tapi dalam covalent ada weak van der Waals force of attraction. Itu dua beza. Ada jenis ikatan dia apa? Kan kamu ni baru belajar tentang susunan elektron. Macam mana dia boleh terbentuk tu? Kenapa dia boleh bersharing? Sebab dia non-metal. Tapi selain daripada itu, kamu juga harus tahu. Di dalam covalent ada VDW. Kuatkah lemah? Lemah. Dalam ionic ada electrostatic force of attraction. Kuatkah lemah? Kuat. Dan sekiranya covalent compound yang kamu buat tu ngam-ngam lagi ada H dengan FON, ada F, ada O, ada N lagi. Nah, tambah lagi satu hydrogen bond. Tambah lagi satu. Itulah contoh yang cikgu jelaskan di sini. This one. Macam ni. CH dengan O. This is covalent. Sebab all of them are non-metal kan. Tetapi memandangkan dia ada H dengan O, bukankah this H and O can form another hydrogen bond with the O di dalam another molecule? Faham kan di sana? Jadi dalam ini dia ada covalent bond dan dia ada dia ada van der Waals attraction forces and then dia ada hydrogen bond lagi di dalam. Okay. So, strong hydrogen bonds are difficult to break. Sudahlah ada hydrogen bond, dia ada van der Waals forces of attraction lagi. So, more heat energy is required to overcome the weak van der Waals attraction forces besides, selain breaking the hydrogen bonds. Jadi, as a result, the boiling point of ethanol is high. Boiling point dia tinggi. Kenapa tinggi? Sebab sudahlah dia ada van der Waals attraction forces, dia ada the hydrogen bond lagi. Double trouble. You want to boil this? Double trouble. Okay? Dua-dua bond di dalam. Bukan macam ionic compound. Ionic compound only have strong electrostatic force of attraction. Okay? Tapi kalau dalam covalent compound, ngam-ngam lagi ada H dengan O ataupun F ataupun N. Nah, tambah lagi hydrogen bond. So, tinggilah boiling point. So, that's the effect of hydrogen bond. Kalau ada hydrogen bond, maksudnya the boiling point of that particular substance is going to be high. Okay? On the other hand, dalam contoh yang lain lagi, molecules like chlorine which do not form hydrogen bond. Memanglah tiada. Chlorine kan, Cl dengan Cl, bukannya even ada H dengan Cl pun masih lagi tiada hydrogen bond. Tiada. Only the H and also FK, OK atau N saja ada hydrogen bond. So, molecules like chlorine ni kan non-metal. Jadi, dia ada force of attraction juga bah. Tapi jenis apa? Jenis VDW. Lemah lagi tu, weak. Kan VDW tu lemah, van der Waals tu lemah. Kenapa dia ada VDW, teacher? Sebab ini kan non-metal. Ini kan non-metal. Jadi bila non-metal and non-metal combine together, they are going to form covalent compound. Dalam covalent compound ada VDW and it's weak. They do not form hydrogen bond lagi. So they have lower boiling point compared to ethanol. So you can see here, the presence of hydrogen bonds actually are going to make the boiling point higher berbanding dengan yang tiada hydrogen bond. Alright? Itu satu, dia akan mempengaruhi boiling point. Kedua, ethanol is also soluble in water. Alkohol bani? Alkohol kan memang larut dalam air. Kita campur dalam air memang dia larut. The solubility of ethanol in water is due to the formation of hydrogen bonds between the ethanol and water molecule. Ini kamu faham kan? So look at this. Macam juga rambut bah. Kenapa rambut boleh melekat bila ada air? Because of the hydrogen bond. So kenapa ethanol molecule is soluble in water? Because of the hydrogen bond. Look at this one. Ini air. Okay, kamu bayangkan sajalah kamu tuang alkohol di dalam gelas. Tuang C2H5OH dalam gelas yang isinya water. Yang ada isi water. Okay, so what will happen? Kan antara ethanol molecule tu memang sudah sedia ada van der Waals attraction forces yang lemah. Okay, lepas tu tambah lagi air. Nah, the hydrogen from the water is going to form the hydrogen bond with the high electronegativity O from ethanol molecule. Nah, jadi because of the presence of water, because of ada hydrogen bond, jadi sebab itulah ethanol molecule can dissolve in water. Okay, I hope you understand that one. Okay, so for the closure for today's lesson, I would like all of you to try do this test yourself 5.4. Okay, there are 4 questions over here. You need to explain a lot of things. Okay, please make sure your answer is not just short answer. Jangan kasih short answer saja. You try to watch my video again and again so that kamu boleh jawab dengan penuh isi dalam kamu punya jawapan tu. Okay, itu satu from your textbook page 119, test yourself 5.4, and another one is module PDP Kimia Cikgu Azmi in page 116, 117, 118 and 119. Okay, sampai di sini saja. There are a few notes here. Cikgu Azmi punya buku ada nota sebenarnya yang lebih jelas lah. Okay, ada bahasa Melayu juga, you can read. Try to understand all the notes here and then try to answer the question. Okay, I hope you all can finish this work before 4 o'clock. I'm going to put the time limit sana, so you are going to watch the video and also do all the works. Please directly ask me if you don't understand. Thank you very much for listening attentively today.